Hi, Tasdile, everyone. So today here I'm teaching about the number 81 to 100. Okay, so let's see here. First one, 81. So 80 is a geju, right? And then you should remember ka. Okay, so see here, 81. Geju ka ji. Geju ka ji. Okay, 82. Geju kanyi. Geju kanyi. Okay, and then 83. Geju kasum. Geju kasum. Okay, and then 84. Geju kashi. Geju kashi. Okay, and then 85. Geju kanga. Geju kanga. Okay, then 86. Geju katu. Geju katu. And then 87. Geju kadun. Geju kadun. 88. Geju kage. Geju kage. Okay, then 89. Geju kagu. Geju kagu. Okay, then next one. Guju. So see, we in the writing is like guju, but when people speaking in the colloquial, and then we sound here like gupju. Okay, so 91. So 91, then you should remember ko. Okay, so see here, 91 is guju koji. Guju koji. And 92, Guju Konyi. Guju Konyi. 93, Guju Kosum. Guju Kosum. And then 94, Guju Koshi. Guju Koshi. 95, Guju Konga. Guju Konga. Okay. And then 96, Guju Kotu. Guju Kotu. 97. Guju Kodun. Guju Kodun. 98. Guju Koge. Guju Koge. And then 99. Guju Kogu. Guju Kogu. And then 100. Ya. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. If you are watching new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay.